The remote control for your air conditioner gives you full control of all the functions on the control panel, as well as a few additional features. You can select your operation modes, adjust fan speeds, and temperature controls. The remote control allows you to use the timer feature for the air conditioner, which can turn off or on your appliance after the selected time. With the unit turned on, press the timer button to select a time. In 4 hours, the unit will turn off. If you repeat this process with the air conditioner turned off, the AC will then turn on. Now in 4 hours, your appliance will turn on. If you push and hold the down arrow, you can turn the light on the control panel on or off. If you select any other button when in this mode, the control panel will illuminate for 5 seconds, allowing you to view your settings. You can choose to mute the sound of the controls on or off by pushing the up arrow and holding for 3 seconds. You'll see OF in the display when turned off. Moisture can be generated inside your air conditioner when using the cool and dry modes. If you push then hold the timer button, you will turn on Auto Clean, which will run the fan for 10 to 20 minutes after you turn off your appliance, cleaning the inside of the air conditioner. There is also a filter reset. The appliance notifies you when the filter needs to be cleaned. Push and hold the mode button for 3 seconds to reset the reminder.